If you have multiple Word documents and don't want to copy and paste them one by one, this video will show you the fastest way to combine them into a single document. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. This will be the file where everything is combined. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top. Click Object, then choose Text from File. Now, browse to the folder where your Word documents are saved. Select the files in the order you want them to appear. Click the first document, then hold Ctrl and select the remaining documents. When everything is selected, click Insert. Word will automatically merge all selected documents into the new file, keeping the same order. Scroll down to confirm that all sections are combined into one document. That's it. You've successfully combined multiple Word documents into a single file. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.